Hello students, this is a video of Maths 1. Lesson number 3 is going on, that is arithmetic progression. AP is the short form of arithmetic progression. Already we finished the 6 videos and this is a video number 7 of the lesson arithmetic progression. Till video 6 we completed the TN formula and some examples from the exercise number 3.2. Few examples from the exercise number 3.2 I explain you during the live lectures, and today again here I will explain you the next point of this lesson, that is sum of first n terms. So AP, it is a sequence, and sequence means there are many terms like T1, T2, T3, T4 and so on. So sum of first n terms, that means the sum of the terms, addition of all these terms, and that is the next point. But here to take the sum of the first n terms we have a ready-made formula. I will give you that formula over here. The explanation of the formula, how the formula is formed, the derivation of this formula is given in the textbook on page number 69. You can just read and study that calculation. You will understand how the formula is formed. Here I will give you directly the formula. You have to keep in mind this formula, learn by heart, use your own tricks to keep the formula in mind. So in this lesson we have two main formulae. First one is TN formula and second one is sum of the first n terms. TN formula we use to find out any term in the sequence, and this SN formula, it is called as short, commonly we say SN formula. So this SN formula we are using to find out the sum of the given terms. So see the formula now. The formula which we use to find out the sum of the given terms or n terms, the formula is Sn equal to, Sn means, S stands for sum of n terms. So Sn equal to n upon 2 in bracket 2a, 2 multiplied by first term, plus in bracket n minus 1. N minus 1 means it is a previous term, multiplied by d. Close the bracket. And this is the formula we use to take the sum of the given terms or the arcs terms or the sum of the first n terms. This formula also can converted in this way, or the formula can be written in another form, that is Sn equal to Na plus n into bracket n minus 1 upon 2 multiplied by d. So in this format also we can use the formula. According to the need of the example we can use the formula, or you can keep only one formula in mind and use that only. So main two formulae are here. First formula is TN formula, that we use to get any terms in the sequence And second formula is called as Ascent formula. This formula we use to find out the sum of first n terms from the given sequence. Now these are the two formulae. Directly we will solve the exercise. Now for the 10th day class, I showed you how to solve the example number 2 and 1. But for 10th A and B, again I will show you here the example number 1 and 2. So first we will solve the example number 2 from the exercise 3.3 or practice set 3.3. From this we will solve the example number 2. First, afterwards I will explain you. See the example number 2. Keep the textbook open in front of you. Page number 72. Exercise number 3.3. Example number 2. The example is find the sum of the first 123 even natural numbers. Find the sum of the first even natural numbers. First 123. First 123 even natural numbers. Now see the example. Find the sum of the first 123 even natural numbers. Now you know the natural numbers are 1, 2, 3 and so on. Infinite they are. But when we write the numbers from 1 onwards, even and odd are mixed. But here the condition is put even natural numbers. So find the sum of the first 123 even natural numbers. So 1 is not the even number. Even natural numbers start from 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on. So these are the even natural numbers, and this is a sequence which is an AP, because the difference between these two terms is constant. 4 minus 2, 2, 6 minus 4, 2, 8 minus 6, 2, 10 minus 8, 2, 12 minus 10 also 2. That means it is an AP. Now here, if the difference is constant and that is 2, so D's value is 2. D is equal to 2. First term is called as A and A is equal to also 2. A is equal to 2, D is equal to 2, and it is said that find the sum of the first 123 even natural numbers. Now see what is the meaning of this 123. Here I wrote 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First 6 even natural numbers I wrote here. First 6 even natural numbers are here. Similarly, first 123 natural numbers. That means this is the first, this is second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, dash 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 123. So this way the total 123 numbers when you will write, their sum you have to find out. So to get the sum you will follow the easy method. Suppose 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14 plus 16. This way we will do 123 times. But that is inconvenient method. Mathematically it is not correct. And so here to do the sum of this first 123 numbers, we have a separate formula, special formula. So we will use this formula, and that formula is SN formula. That means sum of the first n terms. This formula we will use. Now here first term is 2. That means T1 is equal to 2. T2 is equal to 4. T3 is equal to 6. T4 is equal to 8. T5 is equal to 10. T6 is equal to 12. And T123. T6, T5, T4 like that. T123. That means n is equal to 123. So when n is given, when Tn is given, this difference you should know. So you should study the question. First you should study question and then you decide what you are going to do. And now A is with us, D is with us, N is with us. Now we will find out Sn. So formula you must write after this given. Sn is equal to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. After d you have to close the bracket. Now put the prices in the formula. Sn, that means n is equal to 123. So S123 equal to n is equal to 123 upon 2. Here 2 multiplied by 2, A is equal to 2 plus 123 minus 1 multiplied by D also 2. So S123 is equal to 123 upon 2. Solve out first this bracket. So 2 2s are 4 plus subtraction of this bracket is 122 multiplied by 2. Sum of 123 is equal to 123 upon 2. Carry out this bracket. 4 plus 122 multiplied by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. And so now here if you complete the calculation you will get sum of 123 equal to 123 upon 2 addition of this bracket, 4 plus 4 8, that means multiply by 248. Now we'll cancel the bracket. So you get sum of 123 equal to 123 upon 2 multiply by 248. We will reduce this 248 by 2 or we'll divide it by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8. That means S123 equal to 123 multiplied by 124. And if you take the product of this, you will get sum of 123 equal to the product of this is 15,252. 15252. So this way you get the sum of first 123. You highlight the answer and write down sum of first 123 terms is sum of first even natural numbers. 123 even natural numbers. Even natural numbers. Is 15252. So this way you have to write the answer or end of the example. Always develop this habit to highlight the answer. So this way you can get the sum of the first n terms. From the sequence you will get A, D and sum of n terms when they will ask. So n is equal to whatever terms they ask you to use, that is the value of n. According to the need of the example or according to the given example, you will decide what is given. So study this example once again and solve it in the classwork notebook. Now I will give you the example number 1. First example is in the form of activity. It is the activity based example. See the example from the textbook, how it is given. See, it is an activity based example. First term and common difference of an AP are 6 and 3 respectively. That means the first term is 6 and the common difference is 3. Asked you to find S27. That means the sum of the first 27 terms. And see the here example is given and 1, 2, 3, 4 are the boxes. So we have to fill the boxes, but it is not that much easy that you have to fill only boxes. You have to solve the example. Somewhere on the rough page you will solve this example, or near this activity you can solve the example. Even in the textbook you will solve this as an example, and from this solved example you will complete this activity. Okay, now see here 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes are given. That means this type of example is for 2 marks. and the pattern of the 10th standard question paper is question number 3 and question number 5 are depend on this activity based question. So you should study it approximately. You cannot write anything in the box. You have to solve the example. So see how you will solve the example. The example is asked to find out the sum of the first n terms. Example number 1, a is equal to given 6, d is equal to given 3 and asked you to find out sum of first 27 terms. Now here we will use the SN formula because sum they asked you to find out. The formula is Sn is equal to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 multiply by d. Put the prices. S27 is equal to 27 upon 2 in bracket 2 multiply by 6, a is equal to 6 plus n is equal to 27 minus 1 multiply by d is 3. As 27, that means n is equal to 27. And so S27 equal to 27 upon 2. Always you should carry out first bracket. So 2 6 are 12 plus 27 minus 1 is equal to 26 multiply by 3. So S27 is equal to 27 upon 2, 12, always you should carry out first multiplication, plus 3 6 are 18, 3 2 are 6 and 1 7. And so S27 equal to 27 upon 2. So 8 plus 2 10, 7 plus 1 8 plus 1 9. That means now you got S27 equal to 27 upon 2 multiply by 90. And when you will calculate it, you will get 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. 45 multiplied by 27 equal to, take the product of 45 multiplied by 27, the product is 1215. 1215 is the product. So you can say S27 is equal to 1250. So here also we have to put the prices in the formula and solve it. So this example is activity based, but I solve the complete example. Now after this you will fill the activity. So don't take any risk. First you have to complete the example. Simple example you have to solve, and then you have to fill the activity boxes. So see now here, from this we will fill the active boxes from the example. See here, Sn n upon 2. So here the formula is given. That means here in the first box there will be 2a. Then we put the prices. So this price we have to put here, and that is 3, which is given. Then we complete the calculation. So here you see we completed the calculation within 4 steps. First, second, third and fourth. So these 4 steps are not given in the question, but we should know this. Directly you will not get 27 upon 2 multiplied by what? So unless you do the calculation, you cannot understand what is there in this box. What is there here in this box? So you have to do the calculation separately. So 27 upon 2 multiplied by 90, and after the calculation you get it 1250. So this way we have to complete the activity based question. Though it is an activity based question, separately you have to solve it and then fill the boxes. So 2 examples I showed you from the practice set 3.3. You try to complete the example number 3. If you cannot, I will solve it for you and revise the exercise number 3.2. Thank you.